Hi friends, good evening. I was just working on metal sector. Something was interesting based on my system analysis. So we will talk about metal sector, and after I've given a caution on August 5th, the metal stocks are down more than 10 to 15%, and VDL was collapsed from 343 to 270. Tata Steel from 1,500 to 1,300 level. So now it is at a very important stage. So I just want to have a small look on how which are the stocks we can buy in case if there is a pullback from this level, because it is at a very crucial level. Okay, and tomorrow there are many metal stocks are having the TCD, which is 10 change date. And if you go and check my August TCD Excel sheet, which I sent in the first week of August, maybe you can see the dates. Maybe I'll show you now which are the stocks are having the TCD in the next 7 days, and where the metal index is going to head, and which are the stocks we can focus in case if there is a pullback from here. Okay, first we will go to the TCD dates, and then we will take it from there. Okay, so these are the once again. Okay, so now if you see, okay, so this is from tomorrow. This is on 23rd. So you will have Nalco, NMDC, SAIL. So these three companies are having the TCD tomorrow, which is on Monday. And if you go down, you'll have 24th Hindalco, and 26th is Tata Steel. Hindalco again. Hindalco is very powerful, maybe on the upside or on the downside, because two TCD dates are nearing. And the last one, JSW, is having a TCD date on 27. So this Excel sheet you already have in the beginning of the month itself. So if you can go and check, all these dates are clearly mentioned. So tomorrow, Nalco, NMDC, and SAIL, these three companies are having their TCD. Okay. So now we will go to the chart and see how it looks on a normal Ishimoku thing. Then I will go to my system performance, system design. We'll see how where the nifty metal is sitting now, and we'll see whether there is any pullback from there. Okay, so now I will stop sharing this, then I will go to one second. Okay, see now, if you see Ichimoku, so in the year 2000 September 2020, it was below Ishimoku cloud for 2 days. Okay, so after that, see, whenever I've already mentioned many times, whenever the cloud width is very small, it will try to break. Okay, see here, the cloud was big, so it is not able to break, came down. But when the cloud became thin, it will take a pullback from here. Okay, so now after that, it came and touched again this cloud. The cloud was big, so it took again back. And now if you see, after that, it is coming and touching the cloud. And here also, if you see, the cloud was big, it came here and bounced. And now if you see, the cloud has become, the width of this cloud has become very small. So there is a possibility it will try to break this level. Okay, so if you take from tomorrow, this is 23rd to 28th, or 23rd to 28th, this has to hold this level, because the cloud width is nothing and it will easily break this level. But in case if it comes and touches and bounce, then there will be a phenomenal pullback rally from here. So we need to watch for next 5-6 days till 28th. I already mentioned that 30th is the D day for Nifty. Let's see whether it's going to break this level, which is 5,200 level by 30th. So till that time it is okay. But there is one more indication that whenever this is super trend, this green color line is super trend, and yesterday the super trend gave a negative signal. But I don't know, many people, I don't know how they use this super trend, but how to use this better is whenever the super trend has given a sell signal, you need to watch and see whether the next candle is closing below the sell signal level. Otherwise, it will be a pullback level from here. It will again take a U-turn and move. Okay. And all this I've made it in my system, which I will show you now. So as of now, this metal index has to hold 5,200 level at least till 28th. As of now, the metal index is sitting at 5,334. Okay, that was a closing. So always remember, whenever the cloud width has become small, it will try to break. Okay, it will try to break. And now I'll go to the my system thing, and then we will see how it works in my system. Just a minute. Sorry. Okay. So now, if you see, this is my system. This is on a day candle. Okay, this is on CNX metal on a day candle. See, whenever it comes and touches my blue color line, it will bounce. And if the candle is green color, you should not take any shot in that counter. Okay, this is how I made it. So now it has given up, it has went down below here, but the candle is green, so you should not sell. And now if you see, again it came and touched here. See, if you see that width of this blue color and red color, it is not more than let's say 50-60 points in a Nifty, but still it respect this level, and from there again it bounced, and yesterday it is exactly came and touched my blue color line. Okay, so now we need to see whether it is going to pull back from here, and it should not close below 5,228 based on my system. And based on Ichimoku, it says 5,200 is the level. And here it says 5,228. And it is exactly at my blue color line, possibility of reversal from here, because there is a lot of TCD dates happening for metal counters tomorrow. This is number one. Okay, so now we will go and check which are the stocks are sitting at this blue color line and whether there is any possibility of reversal from here. First, we'll go and check Tata Steel. So in case if there is any change happening in metal sector tomorrow, the first one to rally is Tata Steel. And if I go to Tata Steel, yeah, it is well above this blue color line, so there is nothing to worry. In Tata Steel, you need to worry only below 1,307. Okay, so this we can take a chance. And if you talk about JSW Steel, it is very near to my number, which is 671. And if you see, this is the TCD date low, which has happened here on 24th May, and the low is here. So possibility of bounce back from here. And Jindal Steel, of course, no, this guy has broken the trend line very badly. So even in case if there is any U-turn in metal sector, kindly avoid Jindal Steel. And this guy is sitting exactly at my number. So whenever that sale, if you see, when I'll remove this now. Okay, so whenever it comes and touches, it will bounce. Here also it came and touched my number. It has not gone below this red color line, bounced. And here also it bounced. And now it went and touched my red color line, but it is not close to below. So possibility of a revival is there in sale till it holds 114. Okay, so possibility of reversal. So this guy is a candidate, and tomorrow is a TCD for sale. Okay, and Hindalco exactly sitting at my number, my system number. So 402, possibility of reversal. Stop loss is 392. Close below 392, you need to avoid this stock, but possibility of reversal. So if you see, sale is sitting exactly on my system number, and Hindalco, I've already mentioned there are 2 dates which is happening this month, which is 24th and 26th, and it is exactly sitting at my system on the blue color line. Okay, and if you talk about VDL, it has broken because this was the trend change date which has happened on 20th August. So we had a major fall. This is the first one to have a TCD date in the metal sector in August. So we have seen a major fall in this guy. And in case if we go and check in weekly, we can take a chance in this guy if it comes to 254 level, because this is weekly, and weekly always holds. Okay, but we need to check the index also whether it is holding that 5,200 level. Okay, so in case if it comes to 254, you can buy with a stop loss of 242 weekly. Okay, so now we will go to National Aluminium. Okay, Nalco, phenomenal result, but the stock has fallen more than 20% from the top. So now in case if it comes to 67.75, you can take a chance with a stop loss of 63.9, which is this red color line, because on the day candle it has already broken everything. So it has broken everything, but still it is in green. So till it is in green, I can buy even in weekly. Only when it becomes red, then I need to clearly avoid the counter. Okay. So understood. So now I'm just reiterating again, and I'm just going from the metal sector again. On a daily candle, exactly it is sitting at my support, and till it holds 5,200 level, nothing to worry. And tomorrow there is a lot of TCD dates happening for metal sector, so possibility of revival. The first one will be Tata Steel, and if you I'll show you Tata Steel in one more slide. Okay, so now then JSW, in case if it comes to 672, you can buy with a stop loss of 658, and avoid Jindal Steel very clearly. See, if you see Jindal Steel, see it went up here, but it is unable to break my blue color line on the top. See, it went and touched to my blue color line on the top, and it fell down. Okay, so now, so clear avoid is Jindal Steel, and you can add a sale, provided if it holds 118 or 114 on a closing basis. Hindalco, yes, this guy is very special because two dates are there, and it is sitting exactly at my blue color line. And VDL, on a weekly, you can definitely take a chance on a weekly friend in case if it comes to 254 level with the stop loss of 242, provided Nifty metal holds 5,200 level on a closing basis. And Nalco, you can try to buy it at 67.75, and stop loss is 63.95. Since there is a lot of TCD dates tomorrow, which is Nalco and sale in NMDC, the first 15 minutes high and low will be very, very crucial. In case if the metal index holds first 15 minutes low, then the possibility of revival in all the metal counters. The stock to watch out for tomorrow are Tata Steel, Nalco, SAIL, and NMDC. Thanks a lot. Bye. So, and one more thing I want to show you. 1 second, I'll show you Tata Steel and Ishimoku. So if you see Tata Steel, it is exactly sitting at Kijun, and it is the super trend is not broken. The super trend level is 1359.85. You can take 1359 as the low. So you can take a bet on this counter by putting 1359 as a stop loss, at least for 1 hour closing basis. Okay, till it holds 1359 on 1 hour closing basis, this guy is a buy, and it will try to fill the gap. It will try to go and fill the gap till here, which is 1489, till 28th of everything. What I'm talking is valid till 28th of August. After that, I don't know, because 30th is a major day, and I've already mentioned in other videos, again 27th will be very, very bad. So watch out for, we can try these counters for next 4 days. This is not a buy and hold at this point of time. This is just for a very, very short term trading count, to be very honest with you. And in case if somebody is holding all these counters, try to exit on the top level we will try to buy it when it comes to a lower level. Okay. Thanks a lot. And again, I'm telling you, I am not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly take your financial advice from your own financial advisor. Thank you. Bye.